I joined the robotics team because I was kind of interested in what it was at first, and then I stayed and I learned that I was super into wiring and pneumatics and stuff like that, so I just really found my passion within it. But I joined at first just because I was curious about what it was.
A lot of my friends were in the club and I heard that they needed a coder, and I was like, well, I know how to code, and I found out that I loved it a lot more than I actually thought I did, and it was like a really welcoming environment and I had a lot of fun doing it, so I stayed.
Jeff, I grabbed one! So in the club, we usually work on building like the parts and cutting it, so we use metals and stuff. And then we work on coding and wiring, and we just basically we brainstorm what we want to build, and then we just set out to build it.
Two, one.
With the robotics, I helped code the robot, which means I coded the controllers to tell it when to move forwards, backwards, and I coded the shooter to tell it when to shoot and when to take in the ball to shoot it out, and stuff like that.
My favorite moment was when we were really at our lowest and we were struggling at competition, and then we all worked together and then it finally did what we wanted it to do, and then everybody was cheering and all the teams around us was super happy for us. So that was my favorite moment.
That's all up there.
Alright, can we enable it and drive it down that way?
My favorite part was definitely competition. It was very stressful and very emotional, but it was really fun despite all the stress, and I'm really looking forward to next year's competition.
TNT!